Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lily Jav. If you're here for your first time, please kindly hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment. Also turn on your notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will be notified immediately for more videos. Okay, in today's video I'm going to share with you how to preserve your yogurt. So I will be doing it in two ways. One, I'm going to tie it in plastics, and the other one, I'm going to fill it in bottles. Stay connected and let's see what made up the yogurt. Alright, here are unsweetened milk, yogurt, sugar, vanilla, plastics, thread, scissors, measuring cup, and funnel. Okay, stay connected guys and watch it step by step. So here I'm going to start with my milk. So this is the unsweetened milk. I'm going to use 20 of these boxes. So I'm going to cut it and put in a pot. When I'm done with the cutting, I'll just go straight away and stand it on the fire. And I'm going to warm it, not that much, with a low heat. When I set of low heat, 2 to 3 minutes is okay. That is correct for the meat to be on the fire. So to enjoy your yogurt at home, I think this is the best way. Avoid buying it from the shop. Let's do this. Try this for your family. They will enjoy and you won't regret it. Wow, let's turn our milk on the fire. There is it. So I'm just going to warm it 2 to 3 minutes. Like I said earlier, it's okay. Guys, also help me and share this video for more people to watch and learn something. Not only keep it for yourself, help me and let this video go viral. Okay, here I'm going to take off the milk from the pot and drop it in this bucket where I will stand it for 24 hours to get fermented. So right inside here I'm also going to drop in my yogurt before covering the bucket and stand it outside.